Check it out. Here's the front. Boom. Pretty dirty, but we're gonna get it clean. Stay tuned. Do a little walk around before I pressure wash this thing. As you can see, pretty dirty. Check out that gas cap and all that, man. Pretty dirty, pretty dirty. A little walk around. Other side pretty much looks the same way. It's been sitting up for a while. Walk around before I pressure wash this thing. All right, stay tuned. That's mold. That is mold growing in the car. Growing inside of our car. Let's go ahead and pull these seat covers off, see what's up underneath there. See why they got seat covers. Wow, that's not too shabby. It's in pretty good condition. Let's go ahead and show you guys the outside, what it come out looking like. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Got a little trick I'm gonna use on the plastics that are faded, but not too bad, considering it has a no clear coat. But we're gonna go ahead and get the steamer, get it plugged in, get it steaming, getting it hot, and steam the inside. Gonna be doing the little trick that I learned a while back for the plastics. Looking a whole lot better already. Check it out, guys. Little update. Looking a little bit better. With the steering wheel, I ended up just taking the leather wrapping off because it was already coming off. And honestly, that looks better. So, I'm gonna keep on going. Still got the back to do and the door jams. But the back seats actually aren't too bad. But they do need work, obviously. Keep you guys updated. Figured I'd test to see if this steam cleaner would do anything to the seat. Definitely tell a difference. Check that out. I only did this part right here. Before and after. Wow. Check out these handles. That's all mold. It's on that one too. And that one. I'll show y'all the after. That's crazy. Guys, check that out. That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what it did look like. It's crazy. I'm gonna fold these seats up. Way we can clean the back of them. Oh shoot. Got a jack. We were missing the 12-volt plug back here, so that's probably it. Sweet. Tools. Nice. And I assume this just kind of folds like that. Got a nice little center console. Sweet. Wow. This thing would actually be a nice little overland vehicle because I'm sitting here chilling, laid back, and still have probably 2 to 3 foot ahead of me. Not too shabby. I like this. This is pretty cool. And here she is. Nice and cleaned up. Not perfect, but a whole lot better than what it was. Let's walk around on the other side. You see I did a little plastic renewal. Check them back seats out. Wow. Clean that up a little bit. Not perfect, like I said. A whole lot better than what it was. Make sure you like and subscribe.